Zep Vector Store. A description of Zep Vector Store, a LangChain community vector store for Zept.ai. LangChain community vector store for Zept.ai. Components. Component 1. Zept.ai description. Zept.ai is a platform that provides a powerful embedding model for representing text data in a numerical format. It enables efficient search and retrieval of information based on semantic similarity. Component 2. LangChain description. LangChain is an open-source framework for building and deploying language models in real-world applications. It offers a variety of tools and components for managing, querying, and interacting with language models, including vector stores for embedding data. Component 3. Vector Store description. A vector store is a data structure that stores and retrieves embeddings efficiently. It allows you to find semantically similar items based on their vector representations. Architecture is based on LangChain's vector store interface and Zept.is application programming interface. A LangChain vector store for storing and retrieving embeddings from Zept.ai. It acts as a bridge between LangChain's functionality and Zept.is embedding capabilities, enabling seamless integration for tasks such as semantic search, question answering, and information retrieval. Leverages Zept.ai's powerful embedding model description by utilizing Zept.is advanced embedding model. The Zep vector store benefits from high-quality vector representations, leading to improved search results and enhanced semantic understanding of data. Easy integration with LangChain description. Zep vector store is designed to seamlessly integrate with LangChain's ecosystem, making it easy to incorporate into existing LangChain workflows and applications. Potential performance issues with large datasets. Description. When dealing with large datasets, the performance of retrieving embeddings from Zept.is API may become a bottleneck. Optimizations and caching strategies might be required to mitigate this. May require familiarity with both LangChain and Zept.ai description. Users may need to have a basic understanding of both LangChain and Zept.ai to effectively utilize and configure Zep vector store, as it requires knowledge of both frameworks and their functionalities.